Moatara. Hi, my name is Caitlin.
And no, my Winton School, I'm Madilyn. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for Rahina the 17th of November.
We start the week with a big kia ora to all the Year 7 and 8 contestants performing over the next 2 days in the heats of Winton's Got Talent.
Yes, put that lunch date on hold with you-know-who to get to the hall. These guys are fighting for the spots in the finals next week.
Alright, it's Rahina. So we announced the tidiest class for the week and the last pizza award competition for 2014.
So pizza drum roll please for...
We don't know yet. It's anyone's prize to win, so keep up the good work, Winton School.
Okay, let's get into te Kupu or te Wiki.
This week's word is aporo, which is te reo for apple.
Tapa-tapa-hia na aporo, sliced the apples.
School magazine news. Could the writing team please meet in room 9 at 12:30 with your kai to finalise your articles for the school magazine?
And please, can the Tiki team meet in room 9 at interval, thank you.
High-vis vests. Keep wearing them to and from school. Hats at playtime and lunchtime too. Thank you.
A reminder to all the Year 5 and 8 students whom are allowed to play on the field across the road at break times.
You must make sure you cross the road safely at the pedestrian crossing. Kia ora.
Okay, if you miss any notices, you can play the news again, or you can read all the notices in the tip box below.
Year 7 and 8 golf news. A reminder to meet at school tomorrow at 8:15 with all your gear. Thank you.
And Year 5 and 6 mini ball, you have 2 games tomorrow night, one at 6 and another at 6:30.
Okay, that's all for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S team, ka kitea popo.